Let me ask you a question, my friend. Do you start your morning with a warm, comforting cup of coffee? For many of us, it's not just a drink, it's a daily ritual, a moment of peace, a way to wake up the body and mind. But what if I told you that your coffee could be doing more than giving you energy? What if it could actually protect your muscles from disappearing as you age? See, after 65, something happens that most people don't talk about. Your muscles begin to shrink quietly and steadily. You may notice your arms feel weaker when lifting groceries, or your legs tire faster when climbing stairs. Maybe you felt a little less steady on your feet. That's not just getting older, that's sarcopenia, age related muscle loss. And here's the shocking part. If left unchecked, sarcopenia can steal away not just your strength, but your independence. But don't lose hope, because your daily cup of coffee can actually become one of your best tools to fight it. And all it takes is adding one simple natural ingredient. As we check out this ingredient, please take a few seconds to like the video, subscribe to Greenell channel, and remember to turn on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever there is a new upload on this channel. Sarcopenia is the medical word for muscle loss that comes with aging. Starting around age 50, we naturally lose about 1% of muscle mass per year. But after 65, the pace picks up. Strength can decline as much as 3% every year. That's why seniors suddenly find themselves weaker, less energetic, and more prone to falls. Here's what happens. Your muscles are in a constant cycle of breaking down and rebuilding. But as you age, two things get in the way. Hormonal changes like lower testosterone and growth hormone levels reduce muscle repair. Decreased protein absorption. Your body becomes less efficient at using the protein you eat. This combination means that unless you give your body the right nutrients in the right way, your muscles slowly waste away. And this isn't just about vanity or looking strong. Sarcopenia affects your balance, mobility, independence, and even your recovery from illness. The good news, muscle loss can be slowed down and in many cases reversed. The solution lies in giving your muscles the building blocks they are missing. And that's where coffee comes in. Coffee on its own, it's wonderful for alertness and even has antioxidants that protect your body from damage. But coffee alone won't build muscle. It only wakes you up. The trick is what you had to eat. By stirring in a scoop of protein powder, specifically whey protein or collagen peptides, you transform your cup of coffee into a powerful muscle rebuilding drink. Why is this so effective? Timing. Your body absorbs nutrients better in the morning when your metabolism is waking up. Convenience. You're already drinking coffee, so this doesn't feel like an extra chore. Consistency. Because it becomes part of your daily ritual, you are more likely to stick with it. Protein provides amino acids, the essential building blocks your muscles desperately need to repair and grow. Think of it this way. Coffee gives you the spark, but protein gives you the fuel. Now, let's go deeper into why protein is so powerful for seniors. Whey is considered the gold standard because it's rich in leucine, the most important amino acid for turning on muscle growth. You can think of leucine like a switch. Without it, your muscles don't get the signal to grow, even if you eat protein. But with leucine, your body flips that switch and starts building. This is essentially important for seniors because as you age, your muscles become resistant to growth. That means you need a stronger signal, and whey delivers exactly that. It also digests quickly, unlike heavy meats or beans that take hours. Whey breaks down fast, sending amino acids straight into your bloodstream to feed your muscles. Just one scoop in your coffee can give you the same muscle boosting effect as a full protein rich meal without the heaviness. Another fantastic option is collagen peptides. While whey focuses on building muscle fibers, collagen strengthens the support system around them, your tendons, ligaments, and joints. Collagen is especially important if you've noticed stiff knees, sore hips, or aching joints. What many seniors don't realize is that muscle strength doesn't mean much if your joints can't support it. Collagen helps keep those joints cushioned, flexible, and strong so your muscles and bones can work together. Plus, collagen dissolves easily in hot drinks and has no taste. You can stir it into your coffee without even noticing. Over time, you may feel not just stronger muscles, but also smoother movement and less joint discomfort. Now, you might be asking, all right, this sounds great, but how exactly do I do it? Don't worry, my friend. It's simple. Here's the best way to make your coffee muscle friendly. Brew your coffee like you normally do, whether it's black, with milk, or however you like it. While it's still warm, stir in one scoop of whey protein or collagen peptides. Whey works best for rebuilding muscle mass. Collagen is best if you also want joint support. You can even combine the two for the ultimate 1-2 punch. If you prefer a little sweetness, skip the sugar and try cinnamon or a touch of honey. Both have anti-inflammatory properties that also support your health. The goal isn't to overwhelm yourself. Just one scoop daily is enough to give your body the amino acids it needs. And because it's in your morning coffee, you will actually remember to do it. Over weeks and months, the difference can be huge. More energy, better strength, and improved balance. Think about it. Every morning, you already drink that warm cup of coffee. It's part of your routine, part of who you are. But now, that same cup could be more than just comfort. It could be the very thing that helps you stand taller, walk steadier, and live longer without fear of weakness. Sarcopenia doesn't have to be your story. You don't have to sit by and watch your muscles disappear year after year. With one small change, adding protein to your coffee, you can fight back. So tomorrow morning, when you pour that cup, remember this. You are not just starting your day, you are investing in your future strength, your independence, and your freedom. And my friend, at your age, those are worth more than gold. Thank you for watching to the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. Always remember this: green health cares.